Hi, I'm Tamara Schmidt. Thank you for being here. Sometimes the world moves too fast, and our healing requires us to slow down, to relax, and to listen inward. So today, I'm inviting you on a gentle and spacious journey through the cracks, the gold, the mess, and the beauty of being human. It's a journey back to yourself. So take a break. You're in the right place. Things in life can break you, not just chip or bruise you, but break you wide open. Loss, trauma, burnout, grief, betrayal. Sometimes the pain is so intense, it feels like you're never coming back. But there's something that I've learned from my experience and from the path that I've walked with others, that it is possible to begin again. You might have heard of the Japanese practice kintsugi, the art of repairing broken pottery with gold. It's not about hiding the break, it's about honoring it. The gold isn't in the cracks, it's in the choice to mend, to love yourself back to wholeness. That's what healing can look like. It's not about erasing the damage, but integrating it. Your scars become a part of your art, your strength, and your story. There's another kind of healing. It kind of sneaks up on you. It happens when life asks you to change again. Maybe you're in a new season. Maybe you're not who you once were. And maybe that brings freedom or grief or both. If you've spent your life striving, if you've tried to be everything to everyone, then relaxing into self-compassion can feel strange at first. But there's a magic in aging honestly and living in the present. There's gold in letting go of what no longer fits. There's strength in claiming your tenderness, your truth, even as the body changes, even as the world feels unfamiliar. There's still time to return to yourself, to say, I am enough. I am worthy, even in this in-between stage. I still get to grow. This is self-compassion, not waiting to be flawless, but just being present to who you are today. And while we're here, let's talk a little bit about the messier side of healing. We've been hurt, but we've also hurt others. That's a part of the human story too. Owning that without shame can be one of the most freeing things you'll ever do. Start by offering yourself what you needed most when others hurt you. Honesty, compassion, and accountability. Then extend it outward. Apologize where you need to. Listen deeply. And repair what matters to you. It doesn't have to be perfect. It won't be. But it will be real. This is the work. And it's not a destination. It's not a one-time transformation. It's a practice. Wholeness isn't something you chase. It's something you remember. Each day is a chance to start again, to forgive yourself, to love better, to return to what matters, to live the dream that you dreamed of, even if it looks a little different now. You are the artist, the clay, and the gold. So no matter what life has broken open in you, there's still so much beauty to be made. Thank you for joining me today. If this stirred something in you, you're not alone. Leave a comment below if you'd like to share your story or just to say, I'm here. Thanks so much for watching today, and I hope you have a chance to take it outside. Bye.